What if I told you that right now, in 2026, there are AI programs, not humans, that have their own crypto wallets, earn their own money, and pay other AI programs for services automatically, without any human pressing a single button? This isn't science fiction, it's happening today. And the combination of AI agents and cryptocurrency is one of the most important developments in tech right now, and almost nobody is explaining it simply. So that's exactly what we're going to do today on CentSpike. Let's go. First, let's define what an AI agent actually is. You've probably used ChatGPT. You type a question, it gives you an answer. That's a passive AI. An AI agent is different. It's an AI that can take actions on its own. Browse the web, run code, send emails, make decisions, all without you telling it what to do step by step. Think of it like the difference between a calculator and a self-driving car. The calculator waits for you, the self-driving car acts on its own to get you from A to B. Here's where it gets interesting. When AI agents start doing tasks in the real world, they need to pay for things. They need to pay for computing power, they need to pay for data, they might need to hire other AI agents for specialized tasks. The problem is traditional payment systems like PayPal or bank transfers are built for humans. They require account signups. An AI agent can't fill out a bank form. But crypto is just code talking to code. An AI agent can have a crypto wallet address programmed directly into it. It can send and receive payments in milliseconds anywhere in the world without asking anyone for permission. This is why AI and crypto are a perfect match. What's emerging is something called the machine economy. Imagine a future where thousands of AI agents are working together, one specializing in writing, one in coding, one in research, and they're hiring each other and paying each other in cryptocurrency for every task. This is already starting to happen on networks like Fetch.ai, Bittensor, and Near protocol. On Bittensor, for example, AI models compete to provide the best intelligence to the network, and they earn Tau tokens, Bittensor's cryptocurrency, based on how good their outputs are. It's essentially a free market for AI intelligence running on a blockchain. Let me walk you through 3 projects leading this space in 2026, so you know the names to watch. Fetch.ai, FET, creates autonomous AI agents that can do tasks like booking travel, finding deals, or managing DeFi portfolios, and they use the FET token to transact with each other. Bittensor, TAO, a decentralized network where AI models compete for tokens based on the quality of their intelligence. Think of it like a stock market for AI models. Near protocol, a blockchain specifically designed to be AI-friendly. Its architecture makes it easy for AI agents to interact with smart contracts and run on-chain logic cheaply and fast. So what does all this mean for you as someone who holds or is interested in crypto? First, demand for these AI-related tokens could grow significantly as more AI agents enter the market and need to use them to transact. More agents equals more demand for the token. Second, this trend could bring a completely new type of user to crypto, not investors, but machines. And machines transact far faster and more frequently than humans, which could change the dynamics of blockchain networks. Third, and this is important, this is still very early. Many of these projects are experimental. Some will fail, some will be acquired. A few might define the next decade of tech. As always, understand what you're buying before you buy. Let me make this super concrete. Imagine a small business owner in 2026 who uses an AI agent to manage their social media marketing. Every day, the AI agent needs to buy data about trending topics, pay a design AI for graphics, and distribute posts across platforms. Instead of the business owner setting up payment methods for each of these, the AI agent has a single crypto wallet. It receives a monthly allowance of, say, $500 in USDC. It then autonomously pays each service in milliseconds, automatically, and sends the business owner a weekly summary. The business owner never touches a single transaction. That's the machine economy in action. Small crypto payments, all automated, all traceable on the blockchain. Here's your 2-sentence takeaway. AI agents need crypto to function in the real world because crypto is the only payment system that machines can use natively. And this is creating a brand new economy, one where the participants aren't humans but programs. If that blew your mind a little, hit the like button. And subscribe to CentSpike because next week we're covering tokenized real-world assets, which is about to change how ordinary people invest in things like real estate. See you there.